this dough.
The Dollar Tree. Oh shoot, Ben's going. Put him in reverse, Terry. Oh, tail up in the Dollar Tree. We better get kicked out, I swear to God. Oh my God, you're so dumb. We need some smacks from over here though. Oh, this feels so wrong, dude. Bro.
I'm straight.
Fail train. I'm gonna redeem myself. Hold up. Come back.
Oh, you almost were the first person landed.
That's the goal.
First one to do front board gets $1. Oh, Ben's going for it. Oh, Cole takes the band. Yes, sir.
First. I just did it right myself. I'm gonna do the whole thing. Sheesh, since when am I so good at rail? Oh my!
So ugly.
Hey there.
Hadouken!
What up, vlog? This is Scooter James. He's 11 years old. He can fly.
Oh wow. Isn't that what you have to do to get sponsored?
Beautiful. Wow.
Why? Would have landed that. What's up, guys? We got Aiden here, back with another vlog at Daniel Dhers. Alright, drop a foot on that. Yeah, sure. So let me see. I'm gonna say this in Bryway if I could. You know I'm gonna use those filters on your face, right? Oh! Oh my God, bro! Look at the ground.
Butt sweat.
Oh my Jesus.
Oh,
I didn't go to skate park forever, so I just learned everything flat.
Oh. Bro, what? What? Oh my lord. Bro.
Oh my god.
This is copyright. I don't like it.
follow me on Instagram, Aiden_cookies_. It's AIDAN, boys and girls.
Dot Maggie dot.
Nobody cares about your Instagram.
Do it.
This kid. What's up, guys? Ah, Cole.
He just rejected you, dude.
Oh.
Oh my lord. Massive case on the box.
I'll do it. That's gonna be my thing. I rubbed it. No, you didn't. You rubbed it.
That's the thumbnail. Alright, well. Go subscribe to, no, I mean, go follow Logan.
Shut up, I don't care anymore.
I caught that whip with both feet. That was the ugliest thing ever.
Stop!
Oh my god.
He's like, I know what you mean.
Okay, can you move? Alright, so this is the day after the vlog. And yeah, I'm just gonna end it here because I forgot to film an outro. So hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.